Jesse Jaramillo. I'm with Simultech, a division of Amphenol that focuses inside the box, high-speed cable assemblies. I've been working with the Simultech for over 20 years. We are showing a demo that shows our MiniCool Edge IO, MCIO. And on this particular demo, we're using it for a 112 PAM4 signal. And our box is a MultiLane 4035. We are using a little bit of forward error correction, but it is a PAM4, and you can see how the eye is showing in 4 different channels. Overall, the box is such that you can tune it, but the cable assembly is a 1 meter, and the plug on each end is a straight plug, and the receptacle is a vertical. Our product comes in a wide range of options. We can do side exits, and the receptacle can be a right angle, and it can handle from Gen 4, Gen 5, Gen 6, and beyond. So we have a lot of options. It's compatible to wire gauges from 29, 30, 31, and 32. They're all silver plated, and we have a very specialized way to terminate the TwinAx to the PCB paddle board to be able to provide the best impedance, stability, balance, as well as the S parameters for insertion loss, return loss, and crosstalk and things like that. So